Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up Shopify payment gateways. From your Shopify admin, navigate to settings on the bottom left side. On the left panel, click on payment. Here, click on choose a provider under the payment providers. Then it'll show you various third-party payment providers. Select the one you want and click on install. After that, hit the install button to confirm the installation procedure. This app needs to access your data and store data. Click on View Personal Data and you need to enter the gateway ID and the Shopify key. Go back to the payment option and scroll down. Now click on Manual Payment Method and you'll get various options. You can create custom payment methods, bank deposit, money order, and cash on delivery. To select the bank deposit, click on it. Enter the additional details and payment instructions in the given places. Lastly, click on Activate Bank Deposit to set up Shopify payment gateways. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.